Hello, beautiful souls! Welcome back to another timely tarot reading. Kung lumabas ang video na ito sa'yo, baka hindi ito aksidente. Okay, we will shuffle the cards now. So, habang sinashuffle ko siya, sobrang bigat pero napaka-powerful ng energy. Parang may isang tao na matagal na nagtatanong, bakit parang ginagawa ko naman lahat, pero bakit hindi pa rin ako makaabante? No? So, kung ikaw yan, let's see what the universe wants you to see today. So, okay, don't forget that this is a general reading. Take what resonates and simply leave the rest. The very first card, the Magician. Okay. Beautiful soul, ang pinakaunang tanong sa'yo ng universe. Talaga bang wala kang kakayahan? O natatakot ka lang gamitin ang meron ka? Because honestly, hindi ko nakikita rito ang taong kulang. Ang nakikita ko, isang taong sobrang daming potensyal. Pero, hindi niya ginagamit. Maybe you're waiting for someone to believe in you. Maybe you're waiting for the perfect timing. Maybe you're waiting until walang fear. Pero ang sinasabi ng magician, hindi mawawala ang takot habang naghihintay ka. Mawawala lang siya kapag nagsimula ka, Kapag nagsimula ka. So, beautiful soul, hindi ka kulang ng talent. Hindi ka kulang ng blessings. Ang kulang ay paniniwala mo sa sarili mo. Okay. Okay, then this is the Seven of Swords. Napakalakas ng message nito. Some of you, paulit-ulit mong ginagawang parehong bagay. Umaasang magbabago ang resulta. Paulit-ulit lang nagbibigay sa taong hindi marunong mag-reciprocate. Paulit-ulit mong pinipilit ang trabahong matagal nang hindi para sa'yo. Paulit-ulit mong hinihintay ang taong matagal nang nakaalis. Beautiful soul, the cards are asking, hanggang kailan mo ipaglalaban ang isang laban na matagal nang natalo? Okay, hindi lahat ng kailangan mong bitawan is failure, no? Sometimes it's freedom. Okay. This is Six of Wands. Victory, no? Napakagandang contrast. Kasi gusto kang paalalahanan ni universe na hindi permanente ang pinagdadaanan mo. Okay? May victory, may success, may breakthrough, no? Pero, hindi siya dumarating habang nakatayo ka lang. Victory belongs to people who continue walking. Kahit mabagal, kahit pagod, kahit walang kasiguraduhan. The cards are saying, continue, okay? Because you're closer than you think. Beautiful soul, ito yata ang energy ng karamihan. Financial worries, career worries, future worries, relationship worries. Sobrang daming iniisip. Nawala ka ng energy para kumilos. Minsan, Hindi ka natatalo ng problema. Natatalo ka ng kakaisip. The universe wants to remind you, worry doesn't solve tomorrow. Action does. Okay. Ito ang card na nagsasabing, hindi lahat ng nakikita mo ay buong katotohanan. Some of you, you're making decisions based on fear. Hindi sa intuition. Takot kang mag-resign. Takot kang umalis. Takot kang magsimula. Takot kang magmahal ulit. Pero beautiful soul, fear will always make tomorrow look darker than it really is. Okay, the moon reminds you, kapag hindi malinaw ang daan, hindi ibig sabihin mali ang direksyon. Sometimes, the universe is simply asking you, trust. Magtiwala ka. Okay. Ito ang isa sa pinakamalalim na cards, no? Hindi lang ito tungkol sa love. This is about self-betrayal. Some of you, paulit-ulit mong pinipili ang ibang tao habang hindi mo pinipili yung sarili mo. Naging okay ka sa bare minimum. Nagiging okay ka sa disrespect. Nagiging okay ka sa inconsistency. Beautiful soul, the question is, bakit? Bakit ka nagsisettle? Sa pagmamahal na hindi mo deserve. Maybe the biggest relationship na kailangan mong ayusin ay ang relationship mo sa sarili mo. Ito ang card ng sobrang bigat. At honestly, ramdam ko ang pagod mo. You've been carrying responsibilities na hindi naman lahat sa'yo. Problema ng pamilya, problema ng partner, problema ng kaibigan, problema ng trabaho, lahat. Ikaw. Pero, sino ang nag-aalaga sa'yo? The universe says, hindi mo kailangan maging superhero. It's okay to rest. It's okay to say no. It's okay to put yourself first. Beautiful soul, may mga panahon talaga na nakakalimutan natin gawin o nakakalimutan natin gaano tayo kakanda, no? Hindi physically, kundi spiritually, emotionally. You stop believing in yourself. Stop celebrating yourself. Stop seeing your own light. Pero alam mo, no, the light never disappear. Okay? Natatakpan lang ng pagod, ng disappointment, ng comparison. The star reversed says, find yourself again. No? You have to find yourself again. Okay, finally, no, the tower, no? Ito ang card na halos lahat kinakatakutan. Pero gusto kong sabihin ito, hindi ka sinisira ng universe, okay? Pinabasag lang nito ang hindi na healthy. Maybe, may relationship na matatapos, may trabaho na iiwan, may friendship na mawawala, may version ng sarili mong kailangan ng mamatay. Pero mabuhay, para mabuhay ang mas authentic na ikaw. Because sometimes, the biggest blessing comes disguised as a painful ending. Okay. Kapag tinitingnan ko ang buong spread, no, hindi ko nakikita ang malas. Hindi ko nakikita yung sumpa o ang sumpa. Ang nakikita ko, isang taong sobrang daming potensyal. Pero, hinahanlangan ng fear, ng takot, ng overthinking, ng attachment, ng pagod, ng maling choices. At gusto lang sabihin ng universe, hindi ka stuck dahil wala kang future, okay? Na-stuck ka dahil may mga bagay kang kailangan mo nang bitawan bago ka makatawid sa next chapter ng buhay mo. Okay? The moment you choose yourself, the moment you stop carrying what no longer belongs to you, the moment you trust your own power, doon magsisimulang gumalaw ang buhay mo. Beautiful soul. Okay, habang sinushuffle ko yung oracle cards, no, parang gusto nilang yakapin ang energy ng tarot reading. Kung napapansin nyo, ang tarot cards medyo mabigat. Maraming fear, maraming confusion, maraming pagod. Pero pagdating sa oracle cards, parang sinasabi ng universe, okay, ngayon, alam mo na kung bakit ka nahihirapan. Ngayon naman, ito ang kailangan mong gawin para makausad, no? So, at doon tayo magsisimula. Okay. The very first oracle card, find balance, no? Okay. Beautiful soul, naalala mo ba ang 10 of Wands? This one. Diba? Tong card na to, sobrang bigat ng dala mo. Diba? Yun. Okay, ito ang confirmation nun. Find balance, no? Hindi ka tumigil. Hindi dahil tamad ka. Tumigil ka kasi pagod ka na, diba? At minsan, akala natin kapag nagpahinga tayo is parang nauubusan tayo ng oras, diba? Pero ang totoo, kapag hindi tayo nagpapahinga, nauubos tayo. Some of you have been working without resting. Giving without receiving. Loving without being loved back. The universe is asking you, when was the last time you choose yourself? Kasi beautiful soul, hindi selfish ang magpahinga. Hindi selfish ang unahin ang mental health mo. Hindi selfish ang sabihin, pagod na ako. Because balance is where healing begins. Okay, I have here 3 wisdom, no? Napakaganda ng card na ito. Kasi ang puno, hindi naman lumalaki overnight. Hindi siya nagmamadali. Pero araw-araw, may growth. Beautiful soul, some of you feel left behind. Nakikita mo ang success ng iba. Nakikita mo ang engagement nila, business nila, relationship nila, career nila. Tapos mapapatanong ka, Lord, kailan naman ako? Pero ang cards are reminding you, ang puno, no, hindi kinukumpara ang sarili niya sa bulaklak. Magkaiba ang season nila. Magkaiba ang purpose nila. Maybe hindi ka delayed. Maybe you're still growing your roots. At tandaan mo, mas malalim ang ugat, mas matibay ang puno. Okay, the next card, healing, no? Okay, beautiful soul, alam mo kung bakit minsan hindi tayo makausad? Hindi dahil wala tayong opportunity, kundi dahil lala pa rin natin ang sakit ng kahapon. Some of you is may sugat pa rin. Hindi na siya dumudugo, pero masakit pa rin kapag naaalala. Heartbreak, betrayal, childhood wounds, failure, disappointment. At alam mo, hindi ka hinihusgahan ng universe dahil hindi ka fully healed. Hindi ka minamadali. Healing isn't a race, okay? Some people heal in months. Some is in years. And it's okay. Because healing doesn't mean makakalimutan mo. Healing means hindi na yun ang magkocontrol sa future mo. Okay. Ito ang card na sobrang lakas ng energy, no? The blue flame. Activation. Awakening. Beautiful soul, may nangyayari sa iyo ngayon na hindi mo pa maintindihan. Maybe pakiramdam mo is nagbabago ka. Lumalayo ang ibang tao, no? Lumalayo ang ibang tao. Nag-iiba ang priorities mo. Parang hindi ka na katulad ng dati. Parang ganun. At totoo yun, no? Because you're not the same person anymore, no? The old version of you is cannot enter your next chapter. So that's why the tower came out earlier, di ba? Ito yun, no? Ito siya. May mga kailangang masira para may bagong mabuo, no? So the blue flame reminds you, trust the formation. Trust the transformation, no? Even when it feels uncomfortable. Yun. So, I have here, no? Star batting. Itong favorite kong oracle sa spread. You wanna know why, beautiful soul? Okay, bago siya, no? You have to close your eyes for a moment. Okay. Imagine lahat ng pagod mo, lahat ng sakit mo, unti-unting tinatanggal ng universe. Hindi para burahin ang nakaraan, no? Kundi para gumaan ang dala mo. So, star batting is reminding you, you don't always have to chase, no? Sometimes, you simply have to receive, no? Receive peace, receive love, receive blessings, receive healing. Napansin mo ba? Ang dami natin kayang ibigay sa ibang tao, pero hirap tayong tanggapin kapag tayo naman ang binibigyan. The universe says, open your heart because there are blessings trying to enter your life. Beautiful soul. Okay. The last one, no? You're not for everyone, no? Ito ang card na gusto kong marinig ng lahat. Okay? Okay, beautiful soul. You're not for everyone, okay? So, alam mo ba kung bakit ka napapagod? Kasi sinusubukan mong mapasaya ang lahat, no? Sinusubukan mong ipaliwanag ang sarili mo sa mga taong decided nang hindi ka intindihin, no? Sinusubukan mong mag-fit in sa lugar na hindi ka naman talaga kabilang. Pero ang cards, no, are saying, you were never meant to fit in, you were meant to, to stand out. Hindi lahat magugustuhan ang personality mo. Hindi lahat maintindihan ang journey mo, no? Hindi lahat susuporta sa pangarap mo. And it's okay. Because your people will find you. Your tribe will recognize you. The right opportunities will never ask you to become someone you're not. Okay? So, beautiful soul, no? Kapag pinagsama ko ang tarot cards at ang oracle cards, no? Ito ang malinaw na message, no? Hindi ka makausad, hindi dahil wala kang kakayahan. Hindi dahil isinumpa ka, okay? Hindi dahil malas ka, no? Hindi ka makausad dahil alam mo pa ang mga bagay na hindi na dapat kasama sa susunod mong chapter. The tarot card shows the wounds. The oracle card showed the medicine. No? The tarot cards revealed the problem. The oracle cards revealed the path. So today, the universe isn't asking you to be perfect. Hindi rin ito hinihiling na magiging fearless ka. Ang hinihiling lang nito, magpahinga ka kapag pagod ka. Maghilom ka kapag nasasaktan ka. Makinig ka sa wisdom na natutunan mo sa bawat season at huwag mong pilitin tanggapin ka ng lahat. Because the moment you begin choosing yourself, the life you've been praying for will slowly begin choosing you too. Beautiful soul, if this reading is resonated with you, comment comment below, I choose my peace. No? Thank you for spending this time with me. I'll see you in our next time we start reading. Until then, take care of your heart, trust your journey, and remember, the universe is not against you. It may simply be preparing you for a chapter you are not yet able to see. Bye.